awesome!
We love John Force. He's my idol.
Hector Arana, Senior. ALR Group Champion. Team 1, Hunter Brogdon. Standing with an out, entire dive. Roy Daniel won 3 times. Great way to start Sunday.
Yeah, Aaron and the guys just keep doing an excellent job. Getting a great race car in those awesome conditions. And
had a great golf tournament early this weekend. They are so committed to giving back to the community on behalf of the entire Angel family. Seth, what a great program that is that you guys do.
The proceeds from the golf tournament, which by the way was extremely successful, benefit the Wounded Warrior Project and Combat Marine Outdoors. And we're just happy to present this check in the amount of $30,000 to both of these organizations.
You were going for it.
I was going for it.
They say you need one lucky one.
Exactly. I'd rather be lucky than good any day of the week. Coming up, we appreciate our friends at O'Reilly Auto